Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon, right on Highway 99. Got a real nice Travato for you to look at. It's a K model and it's the Pure 3 lithium system, 48 volts. This bad boy can go out in the brush and run all your appliances and you're not going to run out of power. It's awesome. Let's take a look here in the back. The K's are notorious for having a super nice bathroom in the back. Ample amount of space back in here. Sink folds down, so when you want to use it, it's got a lot of room, and when you don't want it, it's out of the way. Got a nice medicine cabinet, 3 drawers, a nice side-by-side closet, bifold closing doors for privacy. Of course, twin beds. You got headrests that lift up, double pane windows, and they do extend out. Energy management system. So if you're hooked to 30 amp, running your air conditioner, decide to turn on the convection microwave, it'll shut off the air so you won't blow the circuit breaker and turn it back on when it goes out. Got little pull down storage bins here on both sides. You have your bug screen and your privacy screen. They go up and down for your convenience. USB ports on both sides. Got reading lights or night lights. Storage all the way across, and they are locking. TV swings here, up front and outside. DVD players here. Kitchen compressor refrigerator. Very efficient. You don't have to worry about being super level because it doesn't have propane. Nice deep sink. 2-burner cooktop. Solid surface counter. Convection microwave. Both seats swing around. The driver's seat's going to use part of this as his table. Passenger has a tabletop that flips out of here. Very convenient. Got a little locking mechanism down here for storage. Got power mirrors on both sides, and they're both adjustable, as well as a button to flip them in case you park in a tight area. Pop in here for just a second and take a look at this. This gauge right in here tells how full your battery power is. So it's real easy to judge just where you are before you need to start up the engine, or whenever you drive down the road, it'll charge like within an hour. It's really amazing. Storage up on top. You got a light control switch here for dim, off, or bright. This is the National Park Edition, special graphics, Pure 3 lithium. It's got the bigger tires. Nice full-length awning. It's electric. LED light right between the 2 rear speakers. Have a TV hookup out here. This has got the great bike rack and the ladder that goes up to the luggage rack. And then this ladder disconnects. It's moved off the carrier. It can be put on the side of the unit so you can get up on top, check your solar panels, your storage pod, your kayak rack, or whatever you might want to have up there. Got any questions on this? Why don't you just call me direct. Call 541-554-9581. Go to my Facebook page, The Van Guy. You'll see all the videos there as well. Shoot me an email. Appreciate your time.